How to apply same filter to multiple photos in iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your iPhone. From your library, select the first photo you wish to edit. After selecting the photo, tap on the edit icon at the bottom right. Now, apply your desired filter. For this example, apply the Vivid Warm filter. Then, tap on Adjust and increase the contrast. When finished, tap on Done to save the changes. With the edited photo open, tap on the three-dot menu icon. From the menu, select the Copy Edits option, then tap on Copy. Now, go back and tap on Select. Choose all the other photos. After selecting, tap on the three-dot menu icon as shown. From the menu, tap on Paste Edits. The edits will be automatically applied to all selected photos. Following these steps, you can easily copy and paste photo edits on an iPhone.